Passage 31, Success Story. Yesterday afternoon, Frank Hawkins was telling me about his experiences as a young man. Frank is now the head of a very large business company, but as a boy, he used to work in a small shop. It was his job to repair bicycles, and at that time he used to work 14 hours a day. He saved money for years, and in 1938 he bought a small workshop of his own. During the war, Frank used to make spare parts for aeroplanes. At that time he had 2 helpers. By the end of the war, the small workshop had become a large factory, which employed 728 people. Frank smiled when he remembered his hard early years and the long road to success. He was still smiling when the door opened and his wife came in. She wanted him to repair their son's bicycle.